Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install TPM Diagnostic tool in Windows 11. Click Start, Settings. Click Apps, click Default Apps. Click View Features. Type TPM. Select TPM Diagnostics, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.